The last question in the series of WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students. This is the question 40 in all the series we are doing. We started from the section B. Now we are at the end of it. And this question is on trigonometry. If we have 3 sine theta equals to 2 tan theta, where theta is between the angle of 0 to 360, we have to find the double angle of cos 2 theta. Now, what we can do is that we need to find out and see, what do I need for this? If I know what I need for this, I can be able to expand this further. I know that the cos of A plus B, we can quote this directly if you can remember it, is equals to the cos A cos B minus the sine A sine what? B. That is the expansion. So if this is AA, that is what? Cos 2A. You know, A plus A is cos 2A. Meaning that this become A, this become what? A. Then x times x give you 2x. Therefore, cos square A minus sine square what? A. But we also know that this is 1 minus this. So therefore, I have the cos square A minus 1 minus cos square what? A. And fast forward, if you open this, we become 2 of this. So 2 cos square A minus 1. So this is what I am looking for in terms of the double angle here. I just need a value for the cos of theta in this case. So what do? I'm going to work with this to eliminate any other thing that is not cos. So let's see. 3 sine theta equals to 2 the sine of theta divided by what? Cos theta, if we are to expand this. Now, if you expand that, what happened? We can see we are having a fraction of cos theta multiplying both sides by that. Let's see. I think I'll clear this one now. We know what we are looking for. So here, what do I have? I should have 3 outside. The sine theta times the cos of theta equals to 2 sine what? Theta. Okay? Alright, let's bring in the sine. So 3 sine theta cos theta minus 2 sine theta all equals what? 0. But I can see sine being common to the two terms. So I factorize the sine out, leaving 3 cos theta minus 2 equals what? 0. Now you can see these two things are multiplied. So it means that the sine theta is equal to 0, or 3 cos theta minus 2 equals what? 0. Here, let's see, we are going to find the tan inverse of this. Let's try that. And if you find sine inverse of 0, you get 0. But the angles we're looking for is from 0 to this. So it means we have 0, 180, 360. 0 cannot be part. 360 cannot be part. So we can have this to be 180. But we are not even interested in that because our final stage, we ignore it. Then we are going to take, let me see, from here, then theta is what? 0, 180, 360. We pick only this. All right. So let's pick 3 cos theta minus 2 equals to 0. Cos theta will be equals to, this is 2 divided by what? 3. I can also find the theta value, which I am not interested, because you see where we are going. We are going to cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. We only need the cos theta, not the theta value itself. So I just go ahead and have my 2 into bracket cos theta, which is 2 on 3 square minus 1. The square is affecting the value of cos theta. So this will give me 2 into bracket 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 9, and that is minus 1. I don't have the space, so let me shift to this side. This will be giving me 8 on 9 minus 1. And remember, this right here is the same as 9 over 9. So that means 8 minus 9 over 9 will give you a total value of what? Negative 1 on 9, which is equals to our cos 2 theta. Okay, that's the value we are looking for. Let's check which option. I think the option A give us a better option. All right. Thanks so much for watching. If you've not watched all the episode, almost 50 episode, then I will indulge you to check the playlist on YouTube. Taxonomy Online Mathematics. The playlist will be WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.